What is the process of resetting the compressor on my Whirlpool refrigerator?
Hello and welcome to our troubleshooting guide. Today we're going to walk you through how to reset the compressor on your Whirlpool refrigerator. This can be handy if your fridge isn't cooling properly or if it's been showing some signs of malfunction. Remember, safety is paramount, so ensure you've unplugged your refrigerator before starting the procedure.
What is a compressor?
The compressor is the heart of your refrigerator's cooling system. It's a mechanical device that compresses the refrigerant and circulates it through the evaporator and condenser coils. This process removes heat from your fridge, keeping your food cold. Compressors rarely need to be reset, but if you're experiencing cooling issues, resetting it could solve the problem.
Preparing for the reset.
Before you reset the compressor, ensure that your refrigerator is unplugged. This will protect you from any potential electrical hazards. Next, you'll want to locate your refrigerator's compressor. It's usually at the back of the fridge, near the bottom. Once you've located it, you're ready to proceed.
Resetting the compressor.
Start by locating the refrigerator's overload relay switch. This will typically be a small box connected to the side of the compressor. Remove the switch from the compressor by pulling it straight off the compressor's prongs. Now, give it a good shake. If you hear a rattling noise, this is a sign that the switch is damaged and will need to be replaced. If there's no sound, it's likely functioning properly. Next, replace the switch back onto the compressor prongs, ensuring it's firmly attached. Finally, plug your refrigerator back in and listen for the compressor to start up. If the reset was successful, you should hear the compressor kick in and start cooling your refrigerator again. That wraps up our guide on how to reset the compressor on your Whirlpool refrigerator. Remember, if your refrigerator is still not cooling properly after resetting the compressor, you may need professional help. Don't hesitate to contact a certified appliance repair technician if needed. We hope this guide has been helpful, and here's to a cool, functioning fridge.